Hello. Are we live? Are we live? Yes, we are. What's up, guys? Happy Dictator. I see you here. Johan. Rude Puts. Hold on. I really got to get my original intro here going. I don't have my transition up or anything since I started streaming on this new YouTube channel. Thank you guys for being here. We are not late. No, we are not late. But we are doing an AMA today. You guys can ask me anything. And before I begin, this live stream is brought to you by miningcave.com. If you guys are interested in anything crypto mining, they have literally everything in stock, from power supplies, mining rig kits, frames, Asic miners. Their most notable thing that I enjoy from them a lot is their rig kits. You guys probably see me make their mining cave tower, and I love it. I love it. It's all in one kit. Everything is all pre-assembled. They ship to you in a single box. Risers, motherboard, power supply, everything already pre-installed. It's just awesome. It's just awesome. Look at that. Just like that. All you need to do is put in the GPUs if you like open air style. Pretty easy. Okay, so thank you, Mining Cave, for sponsoring this live stream. All right, guys, so what are you guys up to? How's everybody? How's everybody? You guys can ask me anything. Ask me anything. Latest technology. I think ETC is the next mining coin. RVN takes too much wattage and high temps. Am I right? The first part, ETC is the next mining coin. We can all speculate. Yes, I mean, we would all love that. Sure. We can all say that Ethereum Classic can be the next coin we can all go to, but who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody. We can all speculate. Yes, we can all say, yes, Ethereum Classic can be the next coin, but will it? Is everyone going to flock to it? Is it going to be profitable or not? That's basically it. That's, you know, Ethereum Classic price has to go up a lot, like a lot, in order to handle how much hash rate that can move over to Ethereum Classic, because Ethereum Classic basically the same algorithm as ETH hash, but they called it ETC hash. But all those ASICs can move over to Ethereum Classic as well. Make no mistake, there will be firmware updates for those ASICs for sure. It can be done. And yeah, I'm just looking at, where is the network hash rate for, there it is, for Ethereum. There we go. It's a lot. There's a lot of ASICs, and you know, not only ASICs, but those sorry, they are ASICs, those little like jazz miners. They can also mine ETC, ETC as well. So it's, you know. Anyway, next question. Jacob Burgess, the only challenge with ETC is the amount of time it takes to transfer ETC. The network is incredibly slow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. You guys remember, or maybe not many people will remember the debacle with the attacks. 50% attack, 51% attack on Ethereum Classic a couple times, a couple of years ago. It happened, I think, 2 or 3 times. And that's why they were talking about moving to a new algorithm, SHA-3, which I don't think they are doing anymore. So that's no longer a thing. Next question. Ron Watkins, can I order 4x of the X12 Ultras on the 30th? Yes, you can. Ron Watkins, yes. Octominer, yes. Octominer will have their minimum order quantity of 1 lifted, or minimum order quantity of 5 lifted to 1 on the 30th and 31st. Yes. You can buy as many or as little Octominers as you want. Next question. Let's see. Trick Mick Mining. What did you do for your day job before mining, and how did you learn about mining initially? I haven't heard you answer that yet. Trick Mick Mining. I can't say what I did before, but it was definitely in IT. How did you learn about mining initially? Well, it was pretty easy for me because I always built computers throughout my life, and so the transition was pretty easy. And how did I learn about mining initially? YouTube videos, Bits Be Trippin', Guntis Vitolins, Brandon Coin, a lot of YouTube videos. Yeah. Steve Smith, hey RedPandaMining, how many more GPUs can I fit on my Asus mining Esther board? I have 12 3090 cards on there already. I think you can fit another 3 or 4 more NVIDIA cards. 3 or 4 more. So you can get up to 15 or 16 NVIDIA cards, I believe. RedPandaMining, in your subjective opinion, do you think the merge will be delayed? I'm not a coder. I'm not a programmer. If you saw my video today, I did talk about, you know, there's been some tweets from Tim Bako, not Tim Bako, Peter. I forgot his last name, but he's the head developer on Ethereum. And it sounds like the merge is coming, but he has some Discord regarding the project Ethereum and just the complexity of the merge and whatever and everything else that's coming about with Ethereum. So it doesn't seem positive coming from the head of Ethereum team lead, so that doesn't seem positive. But I personally, I think it's going to be delayed. Yes. Based on what I'm hearing, based on what other people are saying, just the overall feeling, Tim Bako said they'll have, in about a month or less, they'll have a call whether or not they're going to delay the difficulty bomb or not. And so, yeah. Okay. Next question. Let's see here. Hey, RedPandaMining. I had 6 A4000s on order and 2 arrived last week. I have 4 A4000s arriving soon, but might send them back. What would you do? So A4000s are great for sure, but cooling them is horrible. Like the coolers on them are one slotted GPU. So you either gotta have those, you gotta have like an Octominer case or a server case to keep them cool. And yeah. Hit that like button, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Okay, next question. How do you research new projects for mining coins, Michael? I don't. I rarely research new projects now. I just stick with the top 500 coins that are already. It's extremely hard. I don't spec mine anything under 500 top market cap type of thing. But the olden days of researching for new projects, it would be like Bitcoin Talk. You know, Bitcoin Talk. Looking at their Twitter, looking at their website. Maybe they're looking at their Discord now. Looking at just everything, making sure it's legit in some sense and not just a scam. Yeah, I think Bitcoin Talk was definitely one of those times where we used to do that a lot. I'm not so sure anymore. Yeah. Next question. Ron Watkins, RedPandaMining Live. Are any other coins either starting with or migrating to the ETH hash algo? Ron Watkins, I I also had a thought of this. What if, right? What if there was a coin out there, top 100 market cap, that decided to move to ETH hash? And I was reading somewhere, and I know it's not going to happen, but Litecoin, there was someone talking about Litecoin moving to ETH hash. I highly doubt that would happen. I did not hear any other rumblings of that happening, so yeah, I don't think there's going to be a coin out there that's just going to switch to proof of work or change the proof of work algo to ETH hash. That would be interesting, yes, right? But as they would then be able to take hold of the hash rate of the Asics and a lot of the GPUs out there. So next question. Hey, RedPandaMining, did you watch the keynote? No, I did not. New H100 cores. Ooh, wow. Ninja Kid, that sounds amazing. Dizzy Mining, what's up, man? Can you send me the exact model of the fan Octominer uses for the X8? Dizzy Mining, I think it's their own proprietary fan, and I do not have a link for that. But I can find out later from Chili from Octominer. Brandon Byrne or Golden Wolf, what's up? Brandon Byrne, who or what will be doing with our GPUs after the merge? Well, for me, I'm still going to be mining no matter what. I mean, if it's like 30%, 25% less profitable, then I'll probably turn off. But if it's like, you know, 10% less, breaking even, I'll probably still keep mining. Yeah. I'm hoping. So this is what I'm hoping for. Like, I'm hoping for, like, obviously a lot of people will not be able to continue to mine, right? A lot of people that have higher electrical costs, they just will not be able to keep going, right? They have to turn off or liquidate their GPUs or something. And so the people that have the lower electrical costs, they're just going to win out because they're, you know, they're just not spending as much as the other person, as the next person. So I've explained that many times in my other videos. Like, the people that have low electrical expenses are gonna win. And even during the bear market, for those that even had cheaper electric under, I think, 8 cents, we're still winning. We're still able to be profitable. For me, I was just like breaking even, but I continued to mine because I believed my strategy was holding and then waiting for that next run up. And lo and behold, that obvious next run up happened. Right? Mining between 2018 to 2020 was the best time to mine, the best time to buy GPUs, best time to hodl, and boom. You look at that run up of everything. That's, in my opinion, one of the best strategies. It's definitely a big risk because you don't know if the market's going to go up, but if you believe it will, that strategy has worked for me. Not financial advice, but it is a risk because you have to pay for your electrical bill out of your pocket and hope that you believe that the prices of the coins are going to go up in the future. That's basically it. It's pretty easy strategy in that sense. If you can pay your electrical bill out of your pocket, that is. Dizzy Mining, I need specs. Oh. I think Octominer has it on their website, the specs of their fans. Let me find out for you. Dizzy Mining, we're gonna find out for you right now, my friend. Let's do it. Let's find out. I think it's on their website spec sheet. Oh, they got A4000s in stock here. 16 gigabyte. What? $1,200? Damn. Minimum order quantity is 10. Oh, damn. Okay then. Oh, I didn't know they sell GPUs on here. That's awesome. Alright. Let's see. Fan spec. Here we go. 140 mil. So 140. 240 CFM, 59 dB, 3200 RPM, brushless fan, 12 volt, 2.1 amp. Very quiet at 40 to 60% fan speed, 17 to 2100 RPM. Let me know if that helps, Dizzy Mining. Let me know if that works. Okay. Next question is Yankee. What's up, man? Steve Smith, RedPandaMining Live. Which altcoin do you think will moon this year? CKB or HNS? What's your thoughts on the future of KDA? Oh, dude, this is a loaded question. I don't even. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest here. I don't know anything about CKB, Nervos Network, and I don't know anything about HNS. Nervos looks like it's pumped pretty good a couple times the past year. Will it pump again? I have no idea. It looks like it can just go up again. Yeah, not financial advice. This looking at this chart, I mean, it looks interesting. HNS Handshake, I have no idea about Handshake as well. Same idea. It's pumped last year a couple times. No idea if it's gonna pump again. And then you talked about KDA. Now KDA, this was a millionaire play here, especially for those that bought those IB links and mined with them for the past year and hodled KDA. You probably did really well, and I did not hodl the KDA, and that was a bad idea. I do have a video talking about my story regarding Kadena, but will Kadena moon again? I have no idea, man. I'm not sure. I can't give you a... You're gonna have to believe that KDA is gonna go up in the future. Will it go up again? Maybe. Sure. We can all speculate, right? That's the whole thing about crypto mining and spec mining. And I know a lot of Asic miners have come out with for mining Kadena these days, like Gold Shell. Gold Shell has a lot of huge Asic miners that cost a lot. Oh, I do have one of those Gold Shell KD boxes on the way, so I can show that. I need you know what, let me get Asic miner value up here. Yeah, I do have one of these KD boxes coming. 1.6 terahash, 205 watts. It makes $6 a day. That's crazy. That's crazy. I had no idea that KDA would go up this much. It's unbelievable. And that's why it's so profitable right now, because the Kadena network hash rate. Oh my God, look at this. KD6, 29.2 terahash. $124. Oh my God. Well, obviously when multiple of these come online in the network, the profitability is gonna go down unless the Kadena price goes up, then sure. Hit that like guys. Thanks for being here. Trick McMining, Red Panda Coin. No, I don't wanna associate myself to a coin, especially my own. Next question, Paul Dottery. What's up, man? I'm not asleep to stream. Someone replaced RPM with a doppelganger. I have huge amounts of CKB. Let's go, Techman. All right, sounds good. Red Panda Mining. Which among the two would you suggest if electric bills is 0.02 kilowatt, or a rig of 6 RTX 3080s or 2 rigs of 12 3060s? Personally, I would probably do the rig of 6 RTX 3080s, 10 gigabytes. Yes. Density, 6 cards. 3060s are nice, but I think you're going to get more value later on with the 3080s. Happy Dictator, Red Panda Mining. If you were limited on space, would you prefer server cases in an apartment living room or an open air rig? Happy Dictator for apartment, I'd probably stick with open air, to be honest. It's gonna be quieter. Great. And today's sponsor of this live stream, Mining Cave, they have the pre-built rig kits, which is awesome. You just need to, all you need to do is put in the GPUs. That's the greatest thing about the rig kits. Like, you guys know I have a Mining Cave tower here. Risers, power supply, motherboard, everything's all pre-installed. They come shipped just like this, all pre-built. And just have to put in GPUs. I like open air frames for like garages or like where you live, that type of thing. If you have a separate area and you can, you know, edit some stuff, I don't know, cold hot aisle, then I like going to server cases. Yeah. Next question. Let's see here. RedPandaMining, how high is your electrical bill from mining? It's not that bad. I'm at like 9.5 cents USD. 9.5 ish. 0.9, 0.095. Yeah. Mike Swan, RedPandaMining Live. That KD6 is about 60k USD to buy. Oh my god, is it? Let me check. Let me check Crypto Miner Bros. Does Crypto Miner Bros have it on their website? KD Box Pro. 6,500. Oh my god, $6,500. That's a lot. I don't see. Oh, here we go. KD6. Oh, 46,399,000. $46,000. Holy smoke, that's a lot, dude. I would not. I don't know, man. That hurts. That really hurts. That really hurts. I don't know what to say. I have an Octominer in my living room. Oh, automatic, nice. I mean, yeah, you can run the Octominer fans low and it'll be quiet, but come summertime, you'll most likely have to run those fans at 100, and it will be loud. It'll be loud for sure. Mining King, what's up, man? Mining King, welcome. Welcome. Okay. Next question, guys. Next question. Feel free to ask me anything. I understand I am streaming during people's lunch hour and probably people's work, so you guys are busy, probably just listening. Okay. Next question. Check your figures. I make 30,000 kilowatt hour in the winter, 16 in the summer. This week I made 50 kilowatt a day. John Germain, wow. Oh, Harry Cole. I just got my L7 from Crypto Miner Bros. So happy for it to finally be here. Time to build out some 2080 Ti Flux mining rigs. Harry Cole, you got an L7. Nice, man. Nice. I was supposed to get one, but apparently the stock was just, they're completely sold out. So Crypto Miner Bros is not able to send me one to showcase basically, but it seems like they're already pretty sold out. Like, yeah, L7 is sought after Litecoin, Dogecoin, Asic miner. I thought of something, and you guys have probably thought of it as well, is a lot of people think about, you know, instead of GPU mining these days, why not just get into ASIC mining? And to that I say, you know, I'm more, you know, you guys know I'm more biased towards GPU mining. I love GPU mining no matter what. But it seems like as of right now, ASIC mining in different ASIC miners out there, they've been doing pretty good in terms of profitability, right? but how much longer are these profit numbers going to last, right? The L7 only makes like $44 a day now. It used to be like $300 or something. But that just goes to show the price of Litecoin has gone down, right? The price of Litecoin has gone down, and also I would say the network hash rate has been going up. For Litecoin, let's see here. We can look at this right now. Litecoin price. Yeah, see the highs of Litecoin doesn't have enough of that liquidity to stay, you know, above that number, but now it's, you know, it's kind of coming back up. $122 a day, $122 per Litecoin. And another thing with Asic mining, I remember getting a lot of these like last year, and they paid themselves off because mining was incredibly profitable, got in early, the prices stayed relatively high, and so profitability was relatively really good, and the amount of hardware that was coming on the network wasn't coming online fast enough for people to take advantage of. So it's, yeah, now things have been good for over a year and a half. Network hash rates have been coming up. Profitability for a lot of these big ASICs have been going down. So if the prices of the coins don't keep going up, the profitability is going to keep going down. So that's the sad thing about ASIC mining. So next question, Golden Wolf getting ready to order FA in an hour. Nice, man. I could go for that. Next question, Appetite, what do you think about Gemlink coin? Better than Flux? Appetite, I've never heard of Gemlink coin. I think Flux is great though. I'm sticking with Flux mining. Have you looked into Flux nodes? The APR currently is crazy good. Harry Cole, yes, I have. I just have not gotten it set up yet. I have so many projects I need to do, and I just haven't gotten into Flux nodes yet. I really got to set mine up. I have the Flux ready to do it. I just need to sit down. I need to buckle down and start doing either the VPS or Raspberry Pi, or I do have a server. I do have like a dual Xeon server, 128 gigs of ECC RAM, a bunch of hard drives, SSDs, stuff. I'll probably do a virtual. I'll probably use ESXi, or I was thinking of using server 2019 and doing Hyper-V. I like Windows Server. Windows Server is great, but I might do ESXi. Not sure. I'm gonna decide later. And then I can do it at home. I can make a node. I can do the whole node thing at home. So we'll see. TPS Miner, what's up, man? TPS Miner, how's it going? Let's see here. Happy Dictator, RedPandaMining. The problem with ASICs IMO is the barrier to entry. Normal people don't have 20K for one ASIC, and the infrastructure which makes mining somewhat centralized versus GPUs. Yeah, no, totally true. Yeah, Happy Dictator, you're completely spot on. I mean, when you're buying these type of ASICs, you're doing it to make money. There's no doubt about it, right? Your intention is to liquidate the coin after you mine it, or hodl it and then liquidate it when the price goes up. I mean, that's the same idea with GPU mining. We're all buying GPUs, and you know, we're waiting for the price to go up, and then we're gonna liquidate the coins and make money, right? That's the whole thing. At least with GPU mining, it's kind of like a slow journey. It's like, at least we're kind of in the ecosystem as a whole. Like everybody, a lot of people are in it, a lot of people are mining, a lot of people are engaging in cryptocurrency, helping adoption, whatnot. So, you know, there's other things that's great about GPU mining. ASIC mining, it's pretty easy. Like there's not really much to talk about. And like when I did my videos about the HS Lite recently, there's really nothing I could really do regarding these things. It's very simple to set up, very simple to figure out, you know, how to get at mining, and you know, you're mining Handshake or Sia coin, and it's just, and for me personally, I had no idea anything about these coins, but there is an ecosystem behind them, and so I guess Gold Shell, you know, they're capitalizing on the profitability aspect of Handshake and Coin for now. But how much longer is Handshake and Coin going to be profitable, right? How long is their price going to be good? Because it's profitable at the moment. So let's see here. Let's see. Gaming Smoky Dan, what's up, man? Many require 240 volt power too. That also centralizes things more, unfortunately. In a sense, yeah, power. Yeah, you need to have more power because yeah, the ASIC miners take a lot more power. In a sense. Let's see. Steve Smith, RedPandaMining. I can lend you my L7 for YouTube video review. Haha, I bought a KD5 before KDA moved. $8 last year. The ROI less than 1 month. Oh my God, Steve Smith. That is the best play in the world. Steve Smith, if you're in Canada and you want to ship me that L7 for a week, I'll gladly pay you somehow handsomely. Actually, I would just mine. I can just mine to your address with that L7. I don't even need to mine my own. Actually, well, I need to do a hash rate profitability test, so I'll probably mine to a Litecoin address and then yeah. Steve Smith, let me know. If you're in Canada, let's do it. If you're in the US, then let's not ship it. Let's not ship to Canada. It's shipping from USA to Canada is a nightmare, and vice versa. Okay, next question. 120 volt plugs are practically designed to electrocute you compared to what the rest of the world uses. Yeah. Titan Nightmare, what's the name of some of the tax tracking software out there? Coinly, KOINLY.com, Coin Tracker, taxcalculator.io or .com or something. There's a whole bunch. There's a lot of them, man. A lot of them. I personally use Coinly. FK Yankee. Techman, Freedom, yes. What kind of splitters do you recommend, if any, to fit on some more cards existing right now? The running out of slots for my risers. Mike Swan. I like these ones from gprisers.com. These splitters right here. These guys. I've had no issues with these. I have a lot of these. I've used them for a lot of my mining rigs. And yeah, they're really good. Really good. Oh. The Mining King, what's up, man? Maybe lower power miners like helium and or nodes might be good during the craziness. Yeah, no, totally. You know, I'm biased. I'm more, you know, I love GPU mining, and I probably mentioned staking or nodes maybe once or twice last year. This year I maybe mentioned it once because of Flux, and you guys know I focus mainly on GPU mining. I don't talk about staking that much. Yes, staking, I think as GPU miners we're probably gonna have to. So this is a website I used to use a couple years ago, masternodes.online. I think it's a great website. I think they need to update their numbers though. So Masternodes Online, you can see a lot of different staking coins here. You can see how much is required. how much coin is required. Like for Firo, you need 1,000 Firo to stake for a node, for a master node. Flux is on here, but I think this needs to be updated. Is this updated? Yeah, this is. The Flux masternode stuff needs to be updated on their website. But there's a whole bunch of other staking stuff on here. Next question. Let's see. Paul Dowdery, helium equal dumpster fire. You know, I made a video talking about helium. I wasn't positive about it, but for the sake of everyone who's bought a helium miner, I hope helium does well. And I think helium, like, the community is huge. Like, helium mining is huge. Oh, looks like it just went up $13%. Yeah, there you go. Nice. But it is like looking like it's on an upward trend here, so that's a good sign. I think that's a good sign. If helium can just outpace the other coins, you know, be on its own, helium could do well. Hopefully, there's so much invested. There's just so much invested in helium. It's unbelievable. I hope it does well. I don't mean bad for helium to do bad, but I just hope it does well because there's so many people that are in it, invested already. Paul Dowdery, I wish people who got into helium well. I'm just not very positive about the project. Yeah. I'm very positive. I'm hoping helium does well. That's what I hope. I don't want it to go bad. The only project I kind of want to go down is Ethereum. And trust me, I'm invested in Ethereum like most of you. I have a bag of Ethereum. I hope it does well, but just for the fact of the Ethereum Foundation, developers, not in line with miners, I just hope it tanks. It's probably not going to tank, but I just don't feel Ethereum has. They just, yeah. I'm not even gonna talk about it. You guys have heard me talk about it before. All right. Going along, RedPandaMining. Why don't Bitmain make BTC ASICs that use 50% LED electric and also 50% less profit, keeping it more decentralized? Martin Johnson, I'm not sure, man. I'm not a. I don't know how that works engineering wise. So let's see here. I'm not into Ethereum. What is the difference between ETH and ETC? The difference is, I believe, ETC. What is ETC doing right now? I don't even know. I haven't kept up. Otherwise, in terms of upgrades and software, Ethereum Classic does the same thing that Ethereum does, basically. But minus, I guess the merge is not going to happen on Ethereum Classic, so. Tains, what's up, man? Let's see. Dizzy Mining, did I miss anything? You had to go out for a bit. No, Dizzy Mining, you didn't miss anything. It's okay, man. Look up the DAO hack. It's when ETH was born, ETC kept going on. Ah, yes. I remember that now. Yes. Ethereum forked of Ethereum because of the DAO hack. Yes, that's right. Ethereum removed or blacklisted the DAO hack addresses, and then Ethereum Classic just kept it as is, type of thing. You know, on some ASICs there is a low power mode, and if you want less power, take out a couple hash boards, less power, less mining performance. Yeah, totally. Oh my god, yeah, for sure. ETC is the OG Ethereum. Trick mining. Yeah, some will argue yes, some will argue no. One thing about like Ethereum is, you know, most people still like don't understand about Ethereum was a pre-mine. Ethereum was a pre-mine. And let me bring that up. Like, where can I show that? Where do they have that chart here? Block rewards chart. So total supply and market cap. All right, here we go. So total ETH supply, 118 million. There was an ICO, ICO, Genesis crowd sale pre-mine of 72 million Ethereum. So what's 72 minus 118 million Ethereum right now? That would be about 45, again, around there. Plus this burnt ETH, I guess. So think about how many miners have mined Ethereum since the Genesis, and we've only mined altogether 45 million. So look at how much Ethereum was pre-mined, bought by the initial seed investors, whatever. Ethereum Foundation, I believe, got 12 million Ethereum. So, and I believe the other 60 million Ethereum was divvied up to about 6,000 different Ethereum addresses. It could potentially be 6,000 different people, right? At the crowd sale, 6,000 different people, 6,000 different addresses. So think about those guys that have all that Ethereum within less than 6,000 people. Exchanges now, the Ethereum that's been sold. The Ethereum Foundation has also been selling into fiat, right? A good amount in millions of dollars every now and then. I don't know when they've been doing that. Obviously to upkeep and pay for their development, right? So in that aspect, you know, they've been selling a lot. And so these guys that have the crowd sale compared to us miners, which in a fundamental aspect has been a lot more decentralized in a way, as the Ethereum has been more spread out amongst everyone else. This 45 million Ethereum compared to the 72 million pre-mine is nothing. We saying they are moving to proof of stake basically moves the mining from us miners, proof of work, moves to proof of stake. Those nodes, which is 100% mainly from the initial seed investors and the Ethereum Foundation, they have a huge stake in Ethereum. And so that is initially, that's just going to make them, it's just essentially it's going to make it a lot more centralized in a way, because that Ethereum is no longer going to be going to the regular Joe that you know, went out and bought GPUs to spread out the Ethereum. It's bad. So when the merge happens, when proof of stake comes in, it's just gonna be it's gonna happen. You've seen other proof of stake coins, they've just been going down. Other proof of stake coins, it's just bad. When they move from proof of work to proof of stake, you can just see the downward spiral, especially with the community, right? The people is a huge factor in terms of the engagement, the just interaction with the project. With miners, there are so many more miners than stakers. And when Ethereum moves to proof of work, when Ethereum moves to proof of stake after the merge, think about the interaction there. It's gonna knock off like 90% of maybe more of the people that are invested in Ethereum that are miners. are not going to be interested in Ethereum anymore, because these initial people that pre-mine is going to be controlled by them. And they're going to get the bigger piece of the pie, you know, the rewards, the staking rewards. So it's going to suck, and the smaller guy is going to lose out here. Yep. The rich just get richer. Yep. Paul Daughtery, the ETH Foundation just cares about the environment. That is a load of crap. They could care less about the environment. All they care about is their bags. And when they make those nodes, which they already have, it's just going to make them even richer. Look, I know there's going to be miners that are into Ethereum and are into staking. Don't get me wrong. There's going to be big miners that are also staking as well. I can't forget that aspect. There's going to be a lot of big miners that have stuck with mining Ethereum and believe in Ethereum. Then so be it. That's great. That's all well and good. That's totally fine. I got nothing against those people. I think you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. I'm just saying, from the initial seed and from the initial investors plus the Ethereum pre-mine with the 12 million Ether going to the Ethereum Foundation, they've already staked a lot. And now, right, what I mentioned, the mining, it's now going to be transitioning, if you guys understand, from proof of work to proof of stake. Proof of work, the miners are not going to get the Ethereum anymore from the block rewards. It's now going to be transitioning to, the rewards are going to be going to the nodes, the stakers. For those that already have the Ethereum, they're going to be getting those rewards instead. So it's moving, like theoretically, mining rewards are moving from miners to the stakers. That's it. That's like, if you think about it that way, and you think about the people that already have millions and millions of Ethereum, think about it. They're going to be now getting more Ethereum. So brutal. It's brutal. I don't see many Twitter posts about this. I actually tweeted one thing about it once. Nobody really cared. There are people, I've seen crypto Twitter, some people do talk about the initial distribution of Ether, and I think the distribution is pretty bad. I think, just my opinion, I think when a coin moves to proof of stake, it just ultimately goes down. I don't know if that's going to happen with Ethereum, if the price is going to do that, but in history that I've seen with other proof of stake coins, it has not done well. So I think for us miners now, we got to hope and just focus on other coins. We got to focus on Ravencoin. We got to focus on Flux. We got to focus on Ergo. We got to focus on Ethereum Classic, you know, the ones that actually support proof of work miners. And we got to be the ones that are going to mine and support the network. And, you know, let's flip. How about this? Ethereum Classic needs to flip Ethereum. Could you imagine that happened? That'd be funny. Okay, I just wanted to read your guys' comments here. RedPandaMining, can you imagine if they went POS 5 years ago when they had 80 million ETH in circulation? Pay me in crypto. Dude. Dude, could you imagine? Could you imagine that? Like, that much Ethereum, about 80 million, and crowd sale to 6,000 different addresses, plus Ethereum Foundation. Oh my god, it would, yeah. It would just be like a circle jerk. Nobody would be able to, nobody would get into it. ETC flipping ETH, I pee myself to death. Yeah. Custom computing, what's up, man? Custom computing. Hey, buddy. In between meetings right now. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, doing good, man. I'm a little bit sick, actually. Again, I've been getting sick like all the time. DJ Mines. What's up, man? DJ Mines. Did you get the Asic yet? I don't know if you got it yet. I haven't checked the tracking. DJ Mines, how are you? Let's see. Missing your guys' comments here. I'm sorry. Dizzy Mining. What's the lowest price you've seen ETH at? I think $99. I've been through the time when Ethereum was like bottom of the barrel, like $99, under $100 at one point, $80 at one point. I was like, damn, I need to take out my mortgage, take out a mortgage and just buy Ethereum. No, just kidding. Don't do that. Great Baldini, what's up, man? How do you, let's see here. Not yet. At customs. DJ Mines. Okay. At customs. Nice, nice, nice. Dizzy Mining. Nah, not the, that's not the bottom. Well, what's the bottom? Are we talking about like $10 bottom? Like 2016? I wonder if any original ETH investors burned ETC after the DAO hard fork out of spite instead of selling, putting the real circulating supply a lot less than what is known. Harish Vangalvu, dude, I wouldn't doubt it. It's, you know, with the initial seed investors of Ethereum, and then those guys also have the Ethereum Classic. It just could be a conspiracy. It could be a big conspiracy. It could be a big scam. Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Yeah. You know, one thing I thought of, and this is not, I have no idea if this is true or not. With any potentialness with this huge pump of Ethereum Classic, like what, you know, imagine those guys that maybe sold Ethereum already and then maybe wanted to wash trade. Like you guys have heard of wash trading. You've heard of money makers. What do you call it? Market makers on exchanges. You know, they pay exchanges to do things like this. We've seen this before with other coins in the past. There's absolutely no reason why Ethereum Classic just pumped like this out of nowhere. There was no news. There's no something that came about during this time. It just pumped from like $12 to $134. So Dizzy Mining, ETH was $1 back then. Yeah, Dizzy Mining. Yeah, no, that's I was not at Ethereum back then. If I was, then oh man, I don't think I'd have my YouTube channel by now. just kidding. Dizzy Mining, funny and short story. A friend paid another friend 100 ETH for a small design job. A few years passed and he sold. Oh my god. Amazing. Martin Johnson, RedPandaMining, is there truth to the rumors that Doge and Zcash will go POS? I believe so, yes. Doge Lord, what's up, man? Doge Lord coffee. Thanks, Doge Lord. I just got your coffee in, man. It's awesome. I love it. Thank you again. Thank you again. Okay, all right, guys. I don't know what else to talk about. I think that was a good, decent amount of conversation today. We, I mean, we're all waiting to see what's going to happen in the next couple months here with Ethereum. But wouldn't it be great if there was just like some top 100 coin like just decided to go to proof of work, ETH hash? Like, I don't know, Tron. Could you imagine Tron doing that? Like, what? I guess, yeah, that probably wouldn't happen, but what other possible potential coin? Like we had Litecoin talking about that. Dash. I mean, any other big proof of work coin could potentially move over. But that's a big undertaking. Decred. Isn't Decred mineable? Dual coin mineable at one point? It is mineable. With Asics now, of course. Yeah. Decred. What other coin could you know just get up and change algorithm? That would be hilarious. Roman God. Yes, I have 4 Asics on DCR. Nice, man. Custom computing seems crazy. As soon as ETH goes 2.0, the rich get way richer. Also centralization, isn't it? Like the node is their servers, isn't it? Yeah, custom computing. Yeah, no, totally, man. So most of what I've seen and heard so far, all of the, I guess, the centralization aspect, not only the centralization aspect of the Ethereum that's going to the stake, going to the initial seed investors, the big holders of Ethereum, is that they're being hosted on cloud computing services like I would say Amazon AWS is definitely a big one, but Microsoft Azure, Citrix, Cisco Cloud, probably. But I would say a lot of the smaller like VPSs, virtual private server services like blue digital, I forgot what it's called. And maybe Vulture. There's a lot of different VPS services out there, and I'm gonna say a lot of them, you know, are spread across those as well. But maybe majority of the bigger stakers are gonna be on Amazon and DigitalOcean. Thank you, Paul Daughter. Yes, DigitalOcean, huge one. Yes, DigitalOcean. That's a big one. So Martin Johnson, RedPandaMining, you sound skeptical that a new proof of work coin will rise. I'm not skeptical at all. I would love that any of these coins that are currently proof of work, they would rise. Yes, that they would rise for GPU miners. Right? The only one, like, only couple coins here that we've seen and talked about that have pumped is like Ravencoin, Ethereum Classic. Ergo hasn't really pumped yet. What other Flux, right? Flux has pumped, but it needs to pump like 100 times more in order to handle the hash rate that could move over to Flux, or that even the same goes with Ravencoin, or same goes with Ethereum Classic. Like the prices of these coins have to really pump in order to handle the crypto mining community. And I'm skeptical. Yeah, in that regard, I'm skeptical. Yes, I'm very hopeful. I'm very biased. I really hope it does. I really hope it does. But at this point in time, I mean, the reality, it may not happen, right? We can all speculate and hope that it does, but in reality, is it going to? Is Ravencoin going to be that coin? Is going to be that coin that's going to handle everyone? Bitcoin Gold. There you go. Because that could Bitcoin Gold, you know? So many different coins. Like, we just don't know. We have no idea. Custom computing. Yeah, see you later, buddy. Thanks for coming by. Yeah. Oh yeah, Ravencoin if you're cold in the winter. Yeah, like once you move to these other coins, some of the coins take a lot more power, and you gotta be mindful of your power supplies. You gotta be mindful of the heat. more power, all that stuff. Yeah, no, totally. It's gonna be a gong show for sure. It's gonna be a gong show. Looks like the market's going up though, which is nice. Oh, okay. All right, guys. We've been streaming for an hour. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in another live stream in a couple days. Chump Change, what are you doing here? Thanks for coming by. All right. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for the questions. Thanks for the fun. Thank you to Mining Cave for sponsoring today's video. Guys, go check them out. Link down below if you're interested. They sell literally everything. Power supplies, graphics cards, immersion cooling stuff, and my favorite, the rig kits. Pre-built rig frames. Love it. They also sell Asics. All right. Peace, guys. Have a good day. Time change. Didn't see you streaming here. Have a good day, brother. Yeah, you too, man. You too. See you guys later. Rondi, see you, buddy. Doge Lord, see you later. Peace out, guys. Roman God, peace. Also need more feet videos. Roman God, I'll record a feet. I'll go record a feet video right now for you. Mike Swan, thanks. I'll get well. Yeah, I feel like I've been constantly sick for the past couple months here. I'll get better. My nose running stuff, coughing a little bit. All right, peace, guys. Peace.